Let's talk about the surprising macro lens from Rokinon. Hi, I'm Sebastian from Goman Planet, and this 100mm macro lens is an F2.8 wonder. With its ultra multi-coated glass and 9 blades within its diaphragm, this image will come out crisp, sharp, and as buttery as you can make it. Entirely manual, the focus ring up top and the f-stop ring at the bottom. Going from an impressive 2.8 all the way to 32. Let me pop this lens on and we'll see what I'm talking about. I'm currently approximately 3 feet away from the camera with an f-stop of 5.6. The depth of field is incredible, as you can see. The focus throw is not bad at 5.6, not bad at all. A beautiful lens that really keeps that sharp focus. Right now the product is at about 2.5 feet away. So of course, everything has to be done manually, focus and f-stop, but to have that amount of control over your shots is quite something. And as you can see, the lens does not disappoint. The Rokinon 100mm macro can focus up to 1 foot away from its subject. A gorgeous piece of glass, an incredible tool if you're into macro photography, and an affordable one too.